God, how do I do this? I just don't get it. This whole stoichiometry thing. I mean, what does it even mean? I don't. What do I do? Geez, I knew there's the steps, and I just don't know what to do.
Are you tired of being stoichiometry flustered? Well, are you tired of spending countless hours on Google.com, eBay.com, and ChemFiesta.com? Well, with STD's stoichiometry tutorial documentary, you can get it on with this video. Right here, see this? This will help you with your 6 steps. Everything you just saw and you will see later is all in this video. It's an amazing video, and you know it's only like 10 minutes long, but it's, you know, with $10 you can buy this video, and it's got me all over it. I mean, it's a great video.
Okay, so I just need help with this problem. I know oxygen is produced by the reaction of sodium peroxide and water, and I need to calculate the mass of the Na2O2 that's needed to form 3.2 grams of oxygen, and I just don't know what to do. Can you help me?
Okay, yeah. Stoichiometry, there's just 6 simple steps that you have to follow. And the first one, so write down number 1 here.
Okay.
Actually, you're supposed to balance the chemical equation, but since the balancing has already been done for you, you don't have to do that. So just copy down the equation that is right here.
Okay, and then what do I do next?
You have to write down your given information with units, of course.
Okay.
Which is the 3.2 grams of oxygen in the problem. And so to get what you have to obviously find what's asked of you in the problem. So step 3 is writing down your unknown, which is the mass of Na2O2.
Okay.
So you'd write that. And then step 4, you actually start to do the equation.
Okay.
And
what do I do there?
You write down your given information. So it'd be 3.2 grams of oxygen.
Okay.
O2. Sorry. Times, you have to convert it to moles. So,
And how do I go about converting it to moles? What do I have to do there?
well, you multiply it 1 mole over the formula weight of O2, which you look on your periodic table, the elements, and since there's 2 O's, you take oxygen's formula weight, 16, multiply it by 2, and you get 32 grams, yes.
Okay.
And so you'd calculate that on your calculator or in your head, whichever you prefer, and you'd get 0.1 moles of O2.
Okay, and then what do I do after that?
Well, step 5 is pretty simple. You just take the 0.1 moles that you just calculated,
Okay.
and you have to convert into what you want to find. So you're trying to find the mass of Na2O2.
Right, okay.
And so see, in this equation, you have the 2 coefficient next to the Na2O2. So you put that as your top thing because you're trying to find that. So 2 Na2O2 over the coefficient, which isn't in this problem, so it would just be 1 in front of the O2.
Okay.
So after you do that, you get 0.2 moles of Na2O2. So with that, you just move on to your 6th and final step, which is converting into your answer. And so you take the 0.2 mole that you just calculated of the Na2O2, and you multiply it by the formula weight of Na2O2.
Okay, and then what do I do after that?
Which in this case is 78 grams, right?
Okay.
After you look at your periodic table and add all the figures together, and you have to put it over 1 mole to cancel out the units.
Okay.
So when you multiply through by that, you get 15.6 grams of Na2O2, and that is your final answer.
Oh, okay. Now I understand. So how would I apply this to real life?
And if you call within the next 10 minutes, we can send you this new video, $5 value for $4.99 plus 1 cent for shipping. It's a great deal. Thanks.
Stoichiometry!